Now, again, these are the important topics. Gates, logical gates, right? The first one we will start with negation. Negation, or you can say in electrons inverter, or you can say not, or you can say complement, right? These are the terms: negation, inverter, not, or complement, right? These two are important: inverter, or you can say not. Now what is its function? Actually it changes the it changes this not changes the logical level or logical circuit level from or you can say simply it changes logical level to its opposite level. In simple words, suppose in bits, if you want to change talk in bits, it changes the level. Suppose if the level is 0, it changes to 1, right? If the level is 1, it changes to 0, it changes to its opposite level, that's it, right? What is the notation? This is not notation, a triangular symbol with a bubble inside. This side is called input, this is called output direction, right? Now here this is called a bubble. This bubble indicates that in an out it is output. No, this is called output, this is called input. Input is this side, this is called output side, right? Not is denoted by this symbols, right? This diagram. Now it is the bubble on the output side is the negation indicator. Negation indicator, that means if the output is say AB, and what you have to write? If the bubble is there, AB bar you have to write. Suppose if the output is A plus B, what you have to write? A plus B whole bar. Suppose if the output is AB bar, then what you have to write? AB. Suppose if the output is A bar, what we have to write? Output is A. Simply it changes its opposite, its original state to opposite level, right? Here the bubble is nothing but in an output is nothing but it's a negation indicator. Sir, what about the values? So truth values anko, when the input is high, its output is low, right? If the input is low and the output is high, right? If you want to show in the diagram like this, suppose input is low, output is high. Suppose input is high, output is low, this is called not gate. This is called not gate, right? Next one, AND gate. AND gate is nothing but మనం ఆల్రెడీ కంజంక్షన్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, కంజంక్షన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కంజంక్షన్ ఆర్ ప్రోడక్ట్. it is nothing but a product, or you can say logical multiplication, right? Not logical multiplication of the functions. Okay, now here the pictorial diagram is this one. You should remember this one, like D, capital letter D and it's a straight line, right? Now this is the notation. When A is an input, B is an input, the output Y is nothing but A dot B. ఏమన్నా AND gate is not nothing but logical multiplication అన్నాం. Even the inputs are A and B, output is A dot B, right? In an AND gate you may have any number of inputs, and you will get a single output, right? you can have any number of inputs, but you will get a single output. So like this, any number of inputs a b c d, a b c d, output is only one, right? This is called AND gate. AND gate is represented by this symbol or this notation or this diagram. Okay, it can have any number of inputs. These are called, this side are called inputs, this is called, this side is called output, right? So what about the truth diagram? Truth table means when all the inputs are high, then output will be high only. When all the inputs, and both the inputs, suppose two are there, if the both inputs are high, then it is high, right? Suppose any one is low, then output is low only, right? Now if you want to do the diagram, see, one output is low, when output is high, then output is low only. Now when the two inputs, this is high, output is high. Now when the output, this is low, output is low only, right? This is a functionality. AND gate represented by this one, straight line unti itla capital letter D laga rayalama, you have to write, right? This is nothing but a logical multiplication of the function. Next one is OR gate. These are very, very important. These are the basics, right? OR gate is nothing but plus. It's a logical addition. మన బులియన్ ఆల్జీబ్రాలో ఏమనుకుంటాం, దిస్ ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ బట్ ద డిస్జంక్షన్ అంటాం, డిస్జంక్షన్ ఆర్, రైట్? డిస్జంక్షన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆర్ కదా, రైట్? నౌ సి వాట్ ఈస్ ద నొటేషన్. ఆర్ నొటేషన్ అంటే లైక్ జస్ట్ కర్వ్డ్ లైన్ ఉండాలమ్మా. దిస్ ఈజ్ కర్వ్డ్ లైన్, ఇట్లా కర్వ్ ఉండాలి. This is diagram, right? Now this is A is input, this is B is input, you will get an output Y. Y output is nothing but A plus B. This is called what? OR gate. OR gate is nothing but logical addition, right? Same as in the AND gate, you can have any number of inputs and you will get a single output. That means like this. This is curved line, no? Any number of inputs you can have, you will get a single output. Sir, what is the truth table for this OR gate? Anyone, if any one is high, inputs, any one inputs is high, the output will be high only. That means curved line like this is high, this is low, output will be high only. When both are low, this is low, input is low, output is also low. If any one of the inputs is high, then the output is also high. This is called OR gate. This is the representation of OR gate. This is called AND gate, right? Now next one is NAND gate. NAND gate, it is nothing but it is a combination of NOT and AND gate. NOT and AND gate is called NAND gate. And NAND gate function is nothing but output is AND you will get with its complement. They should remember this one. And NAND gate output is nothing but same as AND output, but with its complement. You should remember this one. Complement output వస్తుంది, right? Now see what is the diagram. NAND అంటే in the end కదా, end is nothing but D, no? Right, this is input A, input D, and like this is a shortcut notation. OR. This is called NAND gate representation, or like this. Input A, B. ఇక్కడ నాట్ ఉంది కదా, బబుల్ అంటే నాట్ కదా, రైట్. Implies NOT gate means triangle shaped, no? This is called out. Suppose A and B, its input is what? A dot B. NOT gate వచ్చింది కాబట్టి A dot B bar. This is called output of NAND gate, right? Now this is called universal gate. Universal gate means it can combine with any function, అంటే any gate, OR gate, NAND gate, right, or inverter, or any combination of gates. This is an universal gate. Universal gate means it is used to combine or construct with any other gates, AND gate, OR gate, inverter gate, or any other combinations, right? Now, sir, what is the truth table? Sir, truth table is low output ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? Occurs when all the inputs are high. All the inputs means these are the inputs. If they are high, output will be low. If output ఎప్పుడు low అవుతుంది? If all the inputs are high only. When any output is low, the output will be high. See, low outputs occurs when all the inputs are high. When any input is low, output will be high as far as output is concerned. Now మామూలుగా ఏం చెప్తాం? Sorry. Next one. NAND gate is nothing but what? It is an opposite to the AND gate as far as the output is concerned. ఇందాక చెప్పాను కదా, AND gate వచ్చింది రిజల్ట్ అవుట్పుట్, ఇట్స్ negation is nothing but, complement is nothing but A dot B bar. This is the answer. NAND is combination of AND, not and AND.